So guys, we have another framework which is called BAB, before after bridge. So is a strategy commonly used in communication and storytelling to deliver a compelling message or narrative. It involves three key components. So first we have before. So this refers to the initial state or situation before a change or transformation occurred. It sets the context and helps us establish the starting point of the story or message. After, so this represents the desired outcome or the end result of the change or transformation. It describes the ideal scenario or the goal that the storyteller or the communicator wants to convey. Bridge. So this is the connecting element that links the before and after status. It explains how the change or transformation occurred and how the initial state evolved into the desired outcome. It can include actions, decisions, or events that took place to achieve the transformation. So use the BAB strategy because it's commonly used in various forms of communication, such as presentations, speeches, marketing campaigns, or even personal anecdotes, to make a point or convey a message in a compelling and memorable way. So by highlighting the contrast between before and after status, providing a bridge that explains the transformation, BAB can effectively engage the audience and create a sense of anticipation and resolution. So we have a prompt here. It reads like this: use this copywriting framework BAB, before after bridge, for our new product office organization solution, and the name of the product is Desk Master. Revolutionizes the way you work. With its smart design, ample storage and space, and intuitive organization system, and then tell a story and use a humorous tone. So let us go to ChatGPT and see what we will get from ChatGPT. Let us give it to ChatGPT, our BAB copywriting framework. So of course, before, your desk is a disaster zone, papers everywhere, pens you haven't seen in weeks. So this is before. This is the initial state or situation before a change or transformation occurs. And after, so now picture this. Your desk is pristine, organized office. Every file has a home, every pen is in its place, and that copy cup, it is exactly where it should be. And so this stage is represented as a desired outcome or the end result of the change. And then the bridge. So the bridge is actually between the two, the before and after. So enter Desk Master, your new best friend. It is like personal assistant, the way cheaper and without an awkward small talk. With its smart design, ample storage, and intuitive organization system, it transforms your work space into a clutter-free zone of genius. So this is perfect, and it will actually save you hours, days, and months of your time to just to write something like this, something as beautiful as this.